Hello there, welcome to our channel Logging Ups again. Hope you're doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video, and today I'll be showing you how to download and install the Binance app on your computer. And now that further ado, let's start right into the video. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more videos. And now to download and install the Binance app on your computer, first open up your preferred browser, as I have already opened the Google Chrome. And in the search bar, click over there and type in binance.com like this and hit enter. And you can see this is the home page of the Binance. Except now to download the Binance software onto your computer from the home page of the Binance, you can see the download option available at the top right corner of your screen, and below it there is the more download options. Click on more download options, and on this page you can see the download option available for Google Play Store, Android and the App Store as well. When we scroll down, you can see it for the desktop version. Now my computer is Windows, so let's click on Windows, and you can see the Binance setup starting to download at the bottom left corner of your screen. Let's let the Binance setup download be finished. And you can see the Binance setup file downloading has been finished. And let's open it from over here, direct web browser. Let's open it, and now let's click on yes, and after that you can see the installer appear over here. Now select your language. For me it should be the English itself. Now click on OK after selecting the language, and leave the program files or the destination folder of the installation file of Binance, leave it as it is, and click on install. And you can see the Binance is being installed over here. And you can see the Binance setup has been completed. Let's click on finish, and it has been finished, and probably it will pop up on our screen. You can see on the desktop, and here it is, the icon. And there guys, we have successfully installed Binance on our computer. Now you will need to log into your Binance account on your computer. And there guys, this is how you download and install Binance on your computer. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, don't hesitate to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.